Hello, and today we're out and about County Mayo, Achill Island. So yes, this is a relatively short walk, but just along the coast. Gorgeous golden beach. This is called Golden Strand. And it's a beautiful day, or it's turning into a beautiful day. Let's get on with it. So this walk takes us past Achill Rovers football ground, but they just happen to be playing in the final game of the season. If they win this, they win the league. So yeah, all to play for. But they're playing Glen Hest, and that's where we're staying, so, you know, who do we root for? So this is Caraun Point, little headland, great viewpoints over the sea. Mountain behind us, over there, Sleevemore. Oh, just in the cloud. Hopefully the cloud will lift a bit later. We might get to go up either that one or something like it, but we shall see. It's just lovely being by the coast. It's beautiful. Fly by. There we are, back at the car. Lovely little walk. Beautiful bit of coast, especially when the sun shines. So yes, see what we'll do tomorrow.